Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're here watching this video, just like in all the other ones, you're probably looking for a way to make money online, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to show people how I've been successful at making money online and how I've shown so many other people just like you how to start making money online with affiliate marketing. Now in this video, I'm going to break down two different affiliate marketing programs. I'm going to show you one of them that is good, but I'll show you the fault with it, and then I'll show you another one where I haven't found a flaw yet. So let's check it out. All right, guys. So the big thing out there that everybody is doing is everybody seeing affiliate marketing, and they're doing these courses, right? You always see me online talking about these damn courses. Now, here's the biggest problem. There's a lot of problem with the whole course thing, all right? But here's the biggest problem, all right? Even if you get into selling that course. So here's what you do. You buy the course, and then they teach you how to get things set up to also sell the course, right? Which, okay, you got a $700 course or a $600 course that you're going to sell. You may get a $200 commission off of that. But here's the problem with it. Here's the biggest problem with selling one item like that. Whenever you have one single item that you sell, like this, say I'm going to sell these. Say I'm going to sell, as affiliate marketing, instead of courses, I'm going to sell these speakers. This is actually a really good freaking speaker too. But say I'm going to go out there and I'm going to sell that speaker, and I'm going to make all kind of videos, review videos, and I'm going to say, you know, you buy the speaker, it's the greatest thing in the world. You can sell the speaker, it's the greatest thing in the world. The second you stop selling that speaker, you stop making money. So if I'm out there doing affiliate marketing, selling the speaker, the second I stop making videos, the second I stop selling these speakers myself, I stop making money. So you sell one thing one time and you make money off of it. Great. That's great. Great job. But then what? Then what happens? Now you just got to keep going. You're in that rat race over and over and over again, just like you were going to work for somebody else every single day. So the other system I want to break down is this one back here. This is the one you see me pimping all the time. GrabThisLink.com. It takes you to myEcon. You can also go to myEconAffiliate.com if you want to. That's my site as well. But if you have me as a sponsor, you get a completely free front-end marketing system. Now, when you join, what you are going to do is you can either sell the digital products that myEcon offers. On my big screen back there, you can see them. There's other videos on my channel here, but that'll break those down for you. But those videos, the financial products, travel membership, the credit repair, the debt elimination, the tax tracking software, the investment education, all of these wealth building tools that myEcon offers, you can either sell those things or market those things or send referrals to those things and get paid that way. Or what I like to do is I like to help other people make money, especially dads that are out there trying to get off of work to spend more time with their family, which is what I needed to do. The whole reason I started with this. So when you have this and you build that team, you have somebody come on, and as long as they join through your link, you get a $70 commission or a 70% commission, right? Once that person makes another referral, once that person joins through your link and they have somebody join through their link, you still get a referral fee. You still get a portion of the referral that they get. So that's the best thing about this type of marketing, this type of multi-level marketing. And no, multi-level marketing is not bad. Multi-level marketing does not equal pyramid scheme, right? This is an actual legitimate multi-level marketing business. The products are what make the difference between a pyramid scheme and a legitimate multi-level marketing company. So this company right here, multi-level marketing the right way, actually builds that passive income. So now if I stop making videos and pushing this GrabThisLink.com, if I was to stop doing that this today, say next week I don't make one single video, I don't go out there and I don't refer one single person this next week to GrabThisLink.com, I'm still going to make money because the people that are on my team are out there pimping their links, and I'm still getting a portion of the referral fees that they are bringing in, right? So that's the passive side of building a business like this. That's multi-level marketing at its best, with tools that people really need, with products and services that people really need. Right back here. That's hard to do. Right back here. That's the difference between one of those individual course selling style affiliate marketing programs, the actual physical product affiliate marketing programs, and the digital marketing program that we have right here. As long as you join through me, you get a completely free front-end marketing system, so you don't have to worry about setting up your capture pages or your sales funnels or anything like that. All of that stuff is included. I'm going to even train all of the people that you bring on. I'm also going to email every single lead that you get for you, so you don't have to do anything except do this. Go right here, go to my link, go to GrabThisLink.com. That's all you have to do. And it's the easiest thing in the world. I even give you content that you can use to do it. You could download this video. I don't care if you download this video, put your link right here. Here, watch, I'll do it for you. At this section, pretend your link is myEconAffiliate.com. You could download this video, put myEcon affiliate right there, and repost it. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to show your voice. You don't have to do anything. I'll give you 1,000 pieces of content just like that. No extra cost, all included. Check out this playlist right here. It's going to show you how to get started for 25 bucks, and it's going to show you how to turn it into a full-time income, just like I did. Check it out, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.